Ciao Tam and welcome to my channel. I was recently looking for a handlebar mounting system for my phone, so QuadLock was kind and sent me over a whole kit of their mounting system with a wireless head, wireless charger, the vibration dampener and everything. Thank you for QuadLock for sending this whole kit over to me. Any impressions in this video are mine. I'm not paid to make this review, but I got this whole kit for free, so just as a disclosure there. What we got here is the wireless charging head, so I can charge my phone on the go. The case to protect my phone, the vibration dampener, very important for the newer phones with in-body image stabilization. The black lever, that's when you don't use this one instead of when you're just using that one here. So you can change the black lever against the blue one. So the blue doesn't match my bike, that's why I got this as well. The rain poncho, if it's really rainy and muddy out there, you don't want to put your phone through the elements, so you got a bit more protection there. And the handlebar mount. So let's have a look at the case. There's some instructions. Here's the case. Yeah, it's just an iPhone case basically. Here you have the mounting system where you can twist and lock onto the handlebar. Looks really rigid. Might be even a bit of better protection than the Apple ones, but yeah, we'll see. So let's put this aside. Then we have the rain poncho here. Should be a protection against the rain. Yeah, some instructions. And here is the rain poncho. So this part here comes over the camera like this. And then you have a protection against the rain. The handlebar mount system, I mean they have various options, but for my bike the best option was the handlebar mount, so that's why I have this one. Here we have some stickers, basic instructions how to mount it. And in the package we have the lever and the mechanism how to engage the phone, the locking system. An Allen key to mount it on the bike. The arm where you put the handlebar in it and then you can lock it. And two adapter rings so that it fits various sizes of handlebars. Let's put this aside. Then here we have the vibration dampener. So as I previously mentioned, it's very important that we keep our phones safe with the IBIS. You don't want to break your camera on your expensive phone. So here we again have a Allen key. I think it's the same size. Yeah, same size Allen key as the other one, and the vibration dampener. So here you have some cushionings. So it's a bit safer to ride with this. I will try it out and give you my thoughts on that. Here is a wireless charging head. That's an interesting part actually. I'm really interested to test that out, if it works and how fast is it it's charging the phone. So here we have the head, the charging head. It has quite a weight to it. Looks pretty premium. Yeah, with the mounting system, and we have several cables, both USB type A to USB type C. This one seems to be a short one, and this one here seems to be a longer one. And then we have the longer screw to put in to mount it on the vibration dampener or on the arm. And we have some zip ties and an Allen key again. So here in the back we have also the connection for the USB-C. I will mount that on a bike, and I will also make a second video how to properly mount this on the bike, on my XSR 900 and my Harley. And yeah, let's see how these things work out and how it performs in a daily use. So hope you liked the video. If you did so, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions to all the parts here, just drop me a comment and I'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching.